Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to live healthier, feel more energetic, and improve your overall well-being, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 10 powerful daily health tips that are easy to follow but can completely transform your life. Let's dive in. 1. Start your day with water. Before you reach for your coffee, drink a glass of water. Overnight, your body becomes dehydrated. Drinking water first thing boosts your metabolism, flushes out toxins, and gives your brain the hydration it craves. 2. Eat a nutritious breakfast. Skip the sugary cereals. A breakfast rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats sets your energy and mood for the entire day. 3. Move your body. Whether it's a 10-minute walk, yoga, or a full workout, movement is medicine. Daily physical activity improves heart health, brain function, and even your sleep. 4. Take screen breaks. Staring at screens all day can lead to eye strain and fatigue. Try the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. 5. Eat whole foods. Whole foods like vegetables, fruits, legumes, and lean proteins are packed with nutrients your body needs. Ditch the ultra-processed snacks and opt for what's real and natural. 6. Practice mindfulness. Take 5-10 minutes daily to breathe deeply, meditate, or journal. Mindfulness reduces stress, sharpens your focus, and brings emotional balance. Try apps like Calm or Headspace if you're new to meditation. 7. Prioritize sleep. Your body heals and regenerates during sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours every night. No screens 30 minutes before bed, and keep your room cool and dark. 8. Stay socially connected. Human connection is vital for mental health. Call a friend, have a family meal, or just check in on someone. Healthy relationships lead to a healthier you. 9. Limit sugar and junk food. Too much sugar leads to weight gain, mood swings, and inflammation. Instead of cutting it all out at once, slowly replace sugary treats with fruits, nuts, or dark chocolate. 10. Regular health checkups. Prevention is better than cure. Regular checkups help catch issues early. Monitor your blood pressure, cholesterol, and overall health at least once a year. There you have it, 10 simple, science-backed habits to help you live your healthiest life. Which tip are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss our weekly health tips. If you've made it this far, comment healthy life below to let me know you're committed to your wellness journey.